Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to go ahead and we're going to do phonics lesson 169. So in your book, if you want to pull out 169, I will also be sharing the lesson for 170. That's tomorrow's lesson. Again, you can do both today or do one each day. Let's begin. So this week and last week, we've been talking about suffixes. And suffixes are the part of several letters that are on the backside of a word, and it can change its meaning. So we're going to go ahead today, put your name at the top of the sheet. And it says you can use a suffix you know to help you read an unknown word. If you know the word hope, full, or thought, full. You're full of hope, you're full of thought. And we know that from previously. The first part of this lesson today says, say the suffix at the beginning of each row. Circle the words that end with the same suffix. So we have the suffix full. We have the suffix less. Number 3 is ness, lee, and est. So the first part of this is pretty easy. If I have FUL, I'm simply circling all the words that have a FUL at the end of the word. So you're going to go ahead and you would circle not just one, maybe there's 2, be careful, and circle all the words that follow the pattern. On the second part of this worksheet, they say interview an astronaut. Write a circled word from above to complete each question. Use the suffix clues to help you. Write 2 interview questions of your own. So the first question is, how does it feel to be blank in space? They're looking for a word that has the suffix less. So I'm going to go back up to number 2 here. And I have circled weightless and I have circled shapeless. So which one of those words would be the best fit? How does it feel to be weightless in space? How does it feel to be shapeless in space? Shapeless doesn't really make sense. So we're going to go with weightless. So you would put this word right on that particular line. So you're going to go ahead and finish all up to 14. And then on 15 and 16, write 2 interview questions of your own. So think about it. If you were sitting next to an astronaut, what would you like to ask them? Any questions at all. But remember, because it's a question, it needs to end with a question mark. All right. Now, if you want to continue for tomorrow's lesson, let's go ahead. And it's the back side. On 170, we're talking more about syllables. It says this. You can use a suffix you know to help you read an unknown word. The suffix "n" for like darken, or able for words like readable. So let's take a look. Say each root word and add the suffix to the root word. So if I say the word light and I want to add en, I'm going to write the word lighten. Bright, brighten. So we need to make that root word and that suffix into one word. After you're finished with the top part, what they want us to do is write a word from above to answer each question. So go ahead and you're going to answer what 2-syllable word is a kind of entertainer? If I take a look above, I'm trying to figure out what 2-syllable word is a kind of entertainer. So 2 syllables, and I'm going to give you a hint. Bring this down just a little bit. If I take a look, conductor would not be it because that's conductor, 3 syllables. But if I look at the word singer, a singer is going to be singer, 2 syllables, and it's also a kind of entertainer, one who sings. So go ahead, pay close attention to the syllables and what the best choice would be. What I always say is choose the ones you're positive, you know that that's the right answer, and then go back later to do the ones you're not quite sure of. And that's it. So enjoy the day. Have a great weekend. And we'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care. Bye bye.